Morning, Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino, still got some adventures. Got a couple of updates. Hypershell. We reached out to Hypershell on a video and I sent them a few emails and I got one response that I was going to get a response from the team, and that's been a week ago and I've had zero response. Hyperlink, what's up? Number two, oh, I don't even know if I should say this or not. I get people giving me hell because I sell digital products on my channel. Well, is there something wrong with that? If you don't like my digital product, don't buy them. But I'm probably one of the few guys that's selling digital products that actually did what they're talking about. So, I mean, I just did the Don't Get Burned Moving to Colombia action kit, and it was well received. It was so well received that I made an ebook. So I dropped the price on the action kit, and you've got an ebook now. So go look, check below. You got an ebook you can buy. And for all you haters out there that don't think I should be making money off my channel, just unsubscribe or don't buy, dude. I'm just trying to share my knowledge and my 6 and 7 years of boots on the ground here in Colombia, the do's and don'ts for us old guys. And the do's and don'ts for us old guys are a lot different probably than the do's and don'ts for young guys, I would imagine. But anyway, because most of us are been there, done that, and we just looking for a nice place to chill that doesn't cost too much, and some health care that keep us on the planet a little longer. You know, I told my son the other day, I said, you know, I think I could probably live in Albuquerque, New Mexico for another 2 years before I hung up the tinnies. I believe I can live another 20 years here. So, yeah. I just tried to share information with you guys, straight up information. You know me, man. I got 360 some videos of not pulling punches and not lying to you. And where these haters get off, well, somebody said it well the other day, they're just fans that are jealous. That could be. Because the last one that got me is giving me hell. Giving me hell. And he's got his own channel, and I think he's got, oh God, I don't know, 200 subscribers. Really? And you're giving me a hard time? So, anyway. So the updates are, Hypershell doesn't look like they want to play, okay? I finally figured out on my own where I don't have to pay somebody $500 to write an ebook. I wrote it myself, and it's about the same thing as the starter kit, except expanded to 34 pages, and it's worth it. I had an old friend of mine from Austin, Texas. Shout out to Adam. Thank you, Adam. Really appreciate your input. I hadn't talked to Adam in, oh my God, 30 years, I guess. We used to be buddies back in the day when I was an auctioneer in Austin, Texas. And he's helping me out a little, and I appreciate it. So all you guys, just remember, I do this because it's the first day of the rest of our lives. And if nothing changes, nothing is going to change. We're not getting any younger. And we don't need to reinvent the freaking wheel. I mean, you don't need to go through all the trouble that I went through and all the butt kickings I went through over the last 6 years in Colombia. I will keep you out of that. I'll keep you out of that fight. See, all you gotta do is read the book, read the kit, whichever one you like. Doesn't matter to me. Or neither, if you don't like them, that's fine. But there's a lot of really good information on how to, on what to do. And oh, I'm sure I'll catch hell. Everybody's going to say, oh, that's an infomercial. Well, it's not an infomercial. Well, it's an info sharing. So I don't know, man. But anyway, it is what it is. I'm going to keep on working on Hypershell to try to get one of their pieces of equipment. So Chuck or two pieces of equipment. So Chuck and I can try them out and see if they will work for us older people, not just the young guys that are hiking or the younger people that have problems with mobility like we do. So I'm still working on that. Working on another book too. I'm working on a how to find the love of your life in Colombia like I did. That'll be out soon. So anyway, put your comments in there. But you know, if you're gonna be a hater, I mean, I don't try to hurt anybody's feelings here. So if you want to be a hater, go be a hater somewhere else. Or you know, why do you come on my channel to be a hater? Please don't do that. And for the rest of you guys out there, you're getting the straight up info. If you don't believe me, ask Croc, ask ChatGPT, ask whoever you want to ask if my information is accurate. So, God bless you guys. We'll see you on the flip side. It is the first day of the rest of your life. Coming to you from a undisclosed location high in the Andes Mountains. This is Gino, and we will see you on the flip side.